Hi, Don. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Is there any way I can speak with the receptionist?
I'm sorry?
Is there any way I can speak with the receptionist?
There is no reception.
No. Or who can I talk to it about? I need to find a person that works in here.
What need do you have? What do you put?
I need to find a person that works in here. I need to know her name, but I don't know who do I need to talk
Where
to.
does she work?
I have no idea. That's the problem.
What's her name?
That's what I'm trying to find out. I have her picture, but I don't know her name or where she works.
I'm not sure that I can help you. I'm not sure.
Is there any manager here that I can talk
I am
to?
the manager, but I can't. You're not giving me enough information to work with.
Well, I can give you. Hold on. I have her picture in here somewhere. Well, I need to know her name and her position here. Right here, sir.
Come over here. Come over here.
Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Georgia Freedom Network. Please take a moment and head over their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel.
She is the building manager for Cobb County.
For Cobb County?
For this entire building, this land you're standing on right here, she runs this building.
Okay. Is there any way I can get her name, full name, and her position? Or can I talk to her?
I can call her. What's your name and your position?
Well, I don't have to say my name.
Well, then I'm not going to give you hers.
Oh,
Because
really?
I don't know what's going on. What's going on?
Well, I just need to speak to her because she batted me the other day outside.
She won?
She batted me when I was standing outside. And before I press any charges or I go any further, if she's willing to apologize, I'm okay.
Are you recording this?
I am. So if she's willing to apologize for what she did and calling the 911 on me, I'm willing not to do anything. But if she's not willing to apologize, I'm going to go ahead and file charges against her.
All right, you wait out there, and I will get in touch with her.
Okay.
And can I?
Even if you can give me a business card, that's all I
I
need.
don't have a business card for her.
Or on a piece of paper, just put her name, her position.
No, I'm going
That's
to
okay.
tell her that there's someone here who needs to see her.
Okay, perfect.
If you can stand out there.
What's your name?
I don't have to give my name.
Oh, you don't?
Thank you.
Well, you're a public official. So, I'm here. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. I didn't hear you.
I'm not speaking.
Why?
Because I don't.
Well,
on.
we're in public. You're a public official, and I can record you.
I just like for your request. I contacted the building manager.
Okay.
The picture you showed, the picture of. I let her know that you.
Okay. Okay, she's coming?
I let her know that you're here. So I'm done. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your great service.
Did someone send you up here to film up here? Who are you?
Huh?
Who are you?
Regular citizen. I'm just visiting the city hall.
Oh,
Why? It's not allowed to film here?
don't film me. I'm a private citizen. But how can I help you?
I didn't ask for any help. I'm just walking around visiting the city hall. That's all.
And so you're filming for what reason?
For myself.
For what though? I'm just asking. Is it for a documentary?
Correct.
What kind of documentary?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet?
Mm-mm.
Hey, there's someone up here filming. He's up here with the camera filming. And I've asked him not to film me.
Hi. Yes.
How can I help you?
I didn't ask for any help.
Okay. What are we trying to do today?
I'm just visiting the city hall.
Okay. The only thing I would ask, it's a public building, so you're more than welcome to do
Can
that.
you explain that to her?
No, hold on just a second. Let me explain something to you.
What's your name?
My name is James.
James what?
I'm the Assistant City Administrator. You're more than welcome to film inside the building. Not a problem.
Okay, thank you.
The one thing we would ask is if an individual asks that you not film them, please respect that.
Well, she's in public, and I told her what I was doing.
Doesn't matter. If someone requests that you not film them.
Well, you just say that word, request, right?
Okay. She asks that you not film her. Please do not film her.
Well, she's in public. I was walking around,
No, sir.
and I already filmed her, so.
All I'm saying, and I'm very aware of what you're doing. I've
Okay.
seen your videos online. I've seen
Can I
what
have
you're
your
doing
name?
in other city halls.
It's Erin Cobb, I'm the
I'm
city
sorry?
clerk. It's Erin Cobb, I'm the city clerk.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Very aware of what you're doing.
Okay.
I've seen your videos
What
that
I'm
you're
doing.
posting, showing your accessibility to public buildings and public properties. Perfectly fine.
Okay.
Not an issue. I'm just asking that you respect the wishes of individuals. Okay? So if you want to film the building, film the building. If you want to film me,
Well, I'm
I have no-
filming the building. She's there on the desk, so.
I'm simply asking, do not film an individual who has requested that you not film them.
Well, I already did.
If you'd like to speak to an officer downstairs, you're more
I
than
don't need to
welcome
speak
to do
to
so.
anybody.
Okay, in that case, please enjoy yourself. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
But please do not film Miss Lampert. She has asked that
Already
you not
did.
do that. Sir,
I already did.
okay.
So,
In
you
that
want me to
case, you're
delete the
re-
picture? The video?
I would appreciate it if you would,
Not gonna
because
happen.
she has.
Not gonna happen.
Okay, sir. In that case, I'm going to ask you to leave
Why?
because you're being uncooperative, sir.
Really?
If you'd like, in fact, Aaron, please call downstairs.
I haven't even talked to her. She spoke to me. First of all,
Doesn't
I was
matter,
minding my
sir.
own business.
Sir,
She's in public. She's a government employee, so I can film her.
that's not an accurate statement, sir.
Oh, really? I challenge you.
You cannot
I
film
challenge
an
you.
individual who has
Really?
requested that you not film them, sir.
Is that a law?
It's a privacy law, sir.
Really?
You can film a building.
You're in public.
You can speak
are in
with
public.
you can speak with her
I'll go
officer.
downstairs.
Okay.
I'll go downstairs.
Okay. Who's on the front desk today?
I'll go downstairs.
Okay. He's on his way up.
Okay.
What is it back here? I don't care if he films me. Would you like to film this room?
Is that open to the public?
Go ahead. It's a public building.
All right. Thank you.
Sure.
I get it. This is the main conference room. So,
Aaron, remember, asked that you not film her.
Okay.
He's refusing to cooperate with that.
Okay.
So I have requested that he leave the floor. He is welcome to film anywhere else in the building, but if an employee asks that they not be filmed, they shouldn't be filmed.
Okay. All right. So, did you hear all that he just said?
yeah.
You okay with that?
No, I'm not.
Okay. So why do you have
Because
to film a?
this is open to the public. I don't care if she's behind the desk and I'm filming. I wasn't even talking to her. I was gonna be here less than a minute. She was asking me what I was doing. Why? She's the one that was asking me. So at that point, I'm holding a camera. Guess what's gonna happen?
Okay. So
I'm gonna record you.
So again, the question would be why do you require to film her when she
Because
doesn't
she
wanna
works
be
for the
filmed?
government and it's open to the public, right?
The building's open to the public, yes, but that
Okay.
doesn't mean that just because someone's standing in a public building, you have the right to film them.
Can you
So
cite the law?
Just film. I'm just asking why you can't just film without her sitting there. We're letting you film. We just don't.
I was really quick. I was doing this. Turn around.
Okay, sir,
was
I
filming
get it.
this.
I understand what you're saying, but she said she didn't want to be filmed.
Is that a case law that you are referring to?
No, it's really
So-
not a case law, but I mean, I'm just trying to, we're giving you the ability to film all you want, the public
Correct.
building. We just don't want an employee doesn't want to be filmed.
Yeah, she's requesting, right?
With that?
She's requesting not to be filmed?
That's her request, yes, and we're just asking you to, respect her.
You say it again, you are asking me. And I already filmed her, so what's gonna happen?
Well, nothing's going to happen. I mean,
Okay,
I
thank
can't.
you.
I mean, you know, I just, you know, we're trying to work with you. I would appreciate if you try to work
Well,
with us.
I think you need to work with her. This is open to the public. Anybody can come here, film.
Yes,
take
the building
pictures.
is open
Correct.
to the public, but that,
Correct.
you know, we have people that don't want to be filmed.
Well,
And,
they need
you
to
know,
go to the private sector
I was
if they
just-
don't want to be filmed.
Okay, so have you filmed everything you want to film?
No, I haven't.
What do you still need to film?
I'm walking around.
Okay, so are you going to allow him to film on the second floor?
He can film any part of the building that he wishes to film.
Thank you.
Okay.
It's not a secure area, obviously.
Thank you.
Okay, so where is he not allowed to go?
Basically,
I know my
the security
boundaries.
areas are locked. It's telecom
Yeah.
calls and
Okay,
stuff.
okay.
I know my boundaries, so I'm not going to go to any
I'm-
restricted
I'm
area.
talking to him
So-
right now. Can you give me 1 second?
Well, I can talk to, okay? You're not going to tell me what to do.
Why are you being difficult?
Well,
Why are you being difficult?
Well, I'm talking to him. You try to shove me
No,
out.
I'm talking to him, and if two people are having a conversation, don't interrupt. That's all I'm trying to say. I'm trying to
Go ahead and
get.
finish. What's your name?
Go ahead. I'm Lieutenant French. Go ahead. You're filming. I'm
What's
assuming.
your serial number or batch number?
198.
Thank you.
Okay. I'm just asking you. That's her request.
Okay.
I'm not going to make you do anything. I'm just trying to figure out why you can't respect her request.
Are you done? Are we done?
As far as I'm concerned, sir,
All right. So I'm allowed to be filming around inside the building or not?
you can film inside the
Okay.
building. It's a public building.
All right.
And
Done.
remember earlier when you asked me, can I film? I did say yes. Remember that downstairs when I was at the desk? Remember that? It was about 6 minutes ago.
Really? I never asked if I can film or not.
You asked if the museum is open, can I go in there and film? That's what you said. And I said yes.
Really?
Yes.
I can go back but never say I wasn't asking for permission because I know I can.
Okay.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video, and please remember and go over and check out Georgia Freedom Network's YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.